Once you've uploaded your Universal CSV to RAMP, you're ready to configure your settings. You can start by navigating to Settings in the upper right-hand corner. First, you'll see your organization name at the top, and below that, you'll see Default Accounts. Clicking into this will allow you to configure first your entity name, and then next, you'll configure your primary statement payment account. You'll see your pre-verified accounts pulled in here. From there, you can select the account from the dropdown. Next, you'll input your credit card liability account. You'll want to create a liability account in your accounting provider that has Ramp Card as the account name. This will be used to track Ramp Card expense liabilities. You'll input the account name and the account ID. Below that, you'll input your reimbursement or bill pay accounts if applicable. Once you've configured this, you're ready to press Save Changes. Next, you'll click into Manage Accounting fields. These are going to be the fields pulled in from the chart of accounts that you uploaded. If you would like to add an additional field here, you can click Add New Field below. You'll start by naming your field, and next you'll choose your field type. So you'll choose either single select or text field. If you would like this field to be filled out for every single transaction for accounting purposes, you can toggle Required for Export on at the bottom. Lastly, there is accounting automation, which will be covered in a later video. If you change accounting providers and would like to disconnect this chart of accounts, you can do so under Disconnect Accounting. Your settings on the RAMP side will be preserved, and it will not impact any data that's already been uploaded to your ERP.